Good morning. Myself Shalini Garg, lecturer electronics, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज जोधपुर। आज हम वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन एंड वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे। सबसे पहले वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन। In one's complement, the positive number are represented in similar way in the sign magnitude form. For negative number, every bit is replaced by its complement, that is 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. For example, if we have to represent minus 45 in one's complement, first convert 45 into binary by dividing it by 2 as shown here. So it is equal to 101101 in binary. Now to represent plus 45, we add a sign bit 0 in front of the magnitude 101101. So this is plus 45. To find minus 45 in one's complement, complement each and every bit of plus 45, that is convert 1 to 0, 0 to 1, again 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Now extension of a ones complement number. Let us write plus 15 in ones complement form. First write the magnitude of 15, which is equal to 4 ones. Now plus 15 is a sign bit 0 added in front of the magnitude 111. Now अब मुझे अगर इस नंबर को एक 8 बिट नंबर में कन्वर्ट करना है, क्योंकि माइक्रो प्रोसेसर 8 बिट या 16 बिट या 32 बिट नंबर को एक साथ पैरेलल में प्रोसेस करता है। सो जो हमारा नंबर होना चाहिए वो 8 बिट 16 बिट इसी फॉर्म में होना चाहिए, क्योंकि रजिस्टर्स भी हमारे करस्पॉन्डिंगली 8 बिट के या 16 बिट के हैं, या अगर माइक्रो प्रोसेसर 64 बिट का है तो 64 बिट एक साथ पैरेलल में प्रोसेस करेगा। To convert plus 15 as a 8-bit number, I can add zeros in front of plus 15. The most significant bit अभी भी 0 है, तो it means it is a positive number. The remaining bits will indicate magnitude, which will be equal to 15, and so it is equal to plus 15. पर अगर मुझे माइनस 15 को वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट में लिखना है एज अ 8 बिट नंबर, तब मैं कैसे कन्वर्ट करूँगी? पहले अगर प्लस 15 को मैंने एज अ 5 बिट नंबर रिप्रेजेंट किया है, तो माइनस 15 इज सिंपली कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ईच बिट, विच इज इक्वल टू 1 and 4 zeros. नाउ टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू अ 8 बिट नंबर, मैं ना तो इसके बिगनिंग में 0 ऐड कर सकती हूँ, ना 1 के बाद 0 ऐड कर सकती हूँ। बिगनिंग में अगर 0 ऐड किया तो इट विल मेक इट अ पॉजिटिव नंबर। 1 के बाद 0 ऐड किया तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट होके उसकी वैल्यू कुछ और हो जाएगी। टू कन्वर्ट इट इन 8 बिट नंबर, पहले प्लस 15 को राइट इट एज अ 8 बिट नंबर एंड देन कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच एंड एवरी बिट ऑफ प्लस 15. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लस 15 is 4 zeros and 4 1. So write here 4 zeros and 4 1. To write minus 15, complement each and every bit. So corresponding to 4 zeros, we have 4 ones, and corresponding to 4 ones, we have 4 zeros. So minus 15 is 4 1 and 4 zeros. Extension in sign magnitude form. Now plus 15 is 0 and magnitude, that is 111. To convert it in an 8-bit number, I can simply add zeros in front of it, so it makes it 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Now for minus 15, the first bit is the sign bit, the remaining bits represent the magnitude, so I can add 0 after this 1, so it is 1 0 0 1 1 1. This one means the number is negative, that is minus 15. The remaining bits 0 0 0 1 1 indicates the magnitude, which is equal to 15, and so minus 15 in sign magnitude form is 1 0 0 and 4 1. So you can simply add zeros after the sign bit to convert a negative number, to extend the negative number. Next, ones complement subtraction. Now if you have to subtract 18 from 25, मुझे 18 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 25 में से, दैट मीन्स मैं 18 का वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट लूँगी, 25 का वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, देयर विल बी नो चेंज. फर्स्ट फाइंड द बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ 25 and 18. Then write the complement of minus 18, add the two numbers and then add end around carry to the final answer. जो 25 है वो क्या हो जाएगा, it will be double one. Convert it into binary by dividing it by 2 as shown here. It comes out to be double 1 double 0 1. So plus 25 is 0 double 1 double 0 1. Now find the binary equivalent of 18, which is equal to 1 double 0 1 0. So plus 18 is 0 1 double 0 1 0 by adding 0 in front of it, the magnitude. To find minus 18, complement each and every bit. 0 के corresponding 1, 1 के corresponding 0, 0 के corresponding 1, again 0 के corresponding 1, 1 के corresponding 0 and 0 के corresponding 1. So minus 18 is 1 0 double 1 0 1. Now add plus 25 to it, which is 0 1 1 0 1. So plus 25 is 0 1 1 0 1. Add the two number, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is again 0, with carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, with carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, with carry 1. Add this end around carry to the final answer. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Copy the remaining bits, that is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So the final, convert it into decimal. The first bit is 0, indicates the number is positive, and 0, 0, 0, 111 is equal to plus 7. So answer is plus 7, and so the final answer is 0, 0, 111 is the correct answer. 25 minus 18 is equal to plus 7. Now next, subtract 25 from 18. अब हमें 18 में से 25 घटाने हैं, तो जो हमें नंबर घटाना है उसका टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना है, क्योंकि दैट बिकम्स अ नेगेटिव नंबर और 18 पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा. 18 की बाइनरी हमने पिछली स्लाइड में निकाली थी, इट इज़ इक्वल टू 1 डबल 0 1 0. सो प्लस 18, इसके आगे एक 0 ऐड कर देंगे, दैट इज 0 1 डबल 0 1 0. प्लस 25 पिछली स्लाइड में वैल्यू कैलकुलेट की थी, इट इज़ 0 डबल 1 डबल 0 1. टू फाइंड माइनस 25, इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेना है, 1 के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग 0 एंड 0 के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग 1. सो इट बिकम्स 1 डबल 0 डबल 1 0. नाउ एड प्लस 18 टू दिस, दैट इज 0 1 डबल 0 1 0. 0 प्लस 0 इज 0, 1 प्लस 1 इज 0, with carry 1, again 1 plus 1 is 0, with carry 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is equivalent. Now we have to find what is its equivalent decimal value. In the result, the MSB of the result is 1. This indicates the result is negative. So we have to find its ones complement to find its decimal equivalent. Now ones complement of 111 000 will be 000 111 by complementing each bit 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Now, and with a minus sign in front of it, because this indicates the result is negative. 000 111 is equal to 7, so result is minus 7, and minus 25 plus 18 is equivalent to minus 7, so answer is correct. Let us consider one more example. We have to subtract 17 from 38. First convert 38 into binary by dividing it by 2, and it comes out to be 1 double 0 1 1 0. Now plus 38 is, write a 0 in front of its magnitude, that is 1 double 0 double 1 0. Now again find the, we have to subtract 17, so we have to take 2's complement of 17. First convert 17 into its equivalent binary. 17 is equal to 1, 000, 1. Plus 17 is equal to 0, 1, 000, 1. It is obtained by adding the sign with 0 in front of the magnitude. Now, plus 17 is a 6-bit number while plus 38 is a 7-bit number. To add the two numbers, first you will have to convert 17 minus 17 to a 7-bit number. How to convert it into 7-bit number? First write plus 17 as a 7-bit number by adding 1 in front of it. So it becomes 001 0001. For minus 17, complement each and every bit. 2 zeros are replaced by 2 1, 1 is replaced by 0, then 3 zeros are replaced by 3 1, and 1 is again replaced by 0. Now add plus 38 to it. Plus 38 is 0 1 0 1 1 0. So write here 0 1 0 1 1 0. Add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 3 ones is equivalent to 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Add this 1 to the final answer, so it becomes 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. So this is the final answer. To convert it into equivalent decimal, we see the first number is 0, indicating result is positive. So you have to convert simply binary to equivalent decimal value. Now you have to multiply at 2 to the power 0 position, then 2 to the power 2 position, and 2 to the power 4 position. So it is 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 4, which makes it 1 plus 4 plus 16, that is 21. And you can see 38 minus 17 is also 21. So our result is correct. Let us consider one more example. Subtract 18 from minus 25. So it is actually minus 18 minus 25. So first we will have to find one's complement of both the numbers. First, now you see minus 18 minus 25 is minus 43. The maximum number that minus plus 18 हमने पहले कैलकुलेट किया था, इट वाज 10010 एंड प्लस 18 इसके आगे एक जीरो जोड़ देंगे, दैट इज 010010. इट इज अ 6-bit नंबर. अगेन 25 इज 11001 प्लस 25 इज 011001. Both numbers are 6-bit numbers. Now maximum number that can be represented by a 6-bit number in one's complement form is minus 2 to the power 6 minus 1, that is 2 to the power 5 minus 1, 2 plus 2 to the power 5 minus 1, that is minus 31 to plus 31. Now if you add minus 18 and minus 23 in decimal, it comes out to be minus 43. So we cannot represent minus 43 as a 6-bit number. It requires a minimum of 7-bit. So you have to extend both number to as a 7-bit number. We can extend it to a 8-bit number also. It will not make any difference. 7 बिट से ज़्यादा 8 9 कितने भी कर सकते हैं, रिजल्ट करेक्ट आएगा. पर अगर हमने 6 बिट से एडिशन करा तो रिजल्ट गलत होगा, क्योंकि माइनस 43 6 बिट से हम रिप्रेजेंट ही नहीं कर सकते. सो इट इज़ इसलिए हमें इसके आगे वी कैन ऐड 2 more sign bits, that is 0 0 0 for 18 it was 0 1 0010 0 1 0010. इसके आगे मैंने 2 zeros और ऐड कर दी to make it a 8-bit number. So minus 18 is one's complement of it, corresponding to 3 zeros we have 3 ones. Corresponding to 1, it is 0. Now corresponding to two zeros, it is 2 1, and then 1 0 is replaced by 0 1. Similarly, 25 जो था plus 25, it was 0 1 1 0 0 1. इसको भी मैंने एक 8 बिट नंबर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया by adding 2 more zeros in front of plus 25, so it becomes 000 11 001. तो -25 इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट होगा. फर्स्ट 3 बिट 0 की जगह 3 1 आ जाएंगे, 2 1 की जगह 2 0 आ जाएंगे, 001 की जगह 11 0 आ जाएगा. अब -18 इसमें हमें ऐड करना है. दिस इज द -18, दैट इज 11 01 101. Add the two numbers. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0. With carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0. With carry 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. With carry 1, 3 1 is equivalent to 1. With carry 1, again 3 1 is 1. With carry 1, add this and around carry to the final answer, and so this is equivalent to 111 01 01 00. Now, to find the final answer, to convert it into a decimal, we observe that the first bit is 1, indicating result is negative. So, to find its decimal equivalent, we have to take its complement. Corresponding to 3 ones, we have 3 zeros. Corresponding to 0, we have 1. Then 101 is replaced by 010, and 2 zeros are replaced by 2 1. So, it is minus, then 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1. Then 2 के corresponding 0 है, 2 to the power 3, 4 के corresponding 0 है, and again 2 to the power 5. So it is 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 5. That is equal to minus 32 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, which makes it equal to minus 43, and minus 18 minus 25 is equivalent to minus 43. So this is all about one's complement representation, extension of the number, and subtraction in one's complement. On next turn, we will discuss 2's complement representation, its extension, and subtraction using 2's complement. Thank you.